At the Supreme Court this week, the Supreme Court upheld the validity of the organic law for the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, or BARM, but declared the province of Sulu not part of the BARM after the province rejected the law's ratification. The court ruled that the Bangsamoro organic law is constitutional because it does not make BARM a separate state from the Philippines. But the law is unconstitutional as far as it includes Sulu in the BARM, since the Constitution states that only provinces, cities, and geographic areas voting favorably in the plebiscite shall be included in the autonomous region. Supreme Court Associate Justice Mario V. Lopez, chairperson of the 2024 Bar Examinations Committee, said 10,483 examinees showed up for the first day of the 2024 bar examinations on Sunday, September 8, 2024, slightly higher than the 10,400 which took the first day of the bar exams in 2023. The exams on the first day were on political law and public international law and commercial and taxation laws. On the second day, on September 11, the exams were on civil law and labor law and social legislations. The last day of the exams is this Sunday, September 15, 2024, on criminal law, remedial law, and legal and judicial ethics with practical exercises. The Supreme Court sent a clear message on the importance of privacy and protection from voyeurism as it affirmed the conviction of an accused for photo and video voyeurism for taking naked videos of his nieces. The court sentenced a man to up to 18 years imprisonment after finding he secretly filmed videos of his nieces in the bathroom using his own cell phone. The Supreme Court has set oral arguments on the case Pimentel v. House of Representatives on January 14, 2025. Petitioners in this case challenge a provision of the General Appropriations Act 2024 and Department of Finance Circular 003-2023, which allow the return of excess reserve funds of government-owned and controlled corporations to the National Treasury to fund unprogrammed appropriations. The court also consolidated the case with Bayan Muna v. President Marcos, where petitioners seek to nullify the presidential certification of urgency for House Bill number 8980 or the General Appropriations Bill, absent the existence of any calamity or emergency under Article 6, Section 26, Paragraph 2 of the Constitution. On September 11, 2024, the Supreme Court launched the Office of the Regional Court Manager in the 8th Judicial Region, which will oversee the courts in the provinces of Eastern Samar, Leyte, Northern Samar, Southern Leyte, Samar, Biliran, and the cities of Calbayog, Ormoc, Tacloban, Borongan, Catbalogan, Baybay, and Maasin. The court required Representative Robert Ace Barbers and other congressmen to file their comment to the habeas corpus petition filed by Rogelio Baterna on behalf of his daughter, Ronilyn, who was detained at the House of Representatives Custodial Center after being cited in contempt by the HOR Committee on Public Order and Safety, or the Quad Committee, during its August 7, 2024 hearing on the alleged activities linked to Philippine Offshore Gaming Operators, or POGOs. The Supreme Court sought input, suggestions, and feedback from judges and court employees from first and second level courts in Eastern Samar, Leyte, Northern Samar, Samar, Southern Leyte, and Biliran on the proposed new guidelines covering the conduct of judges and court personnel at the fourth leg of the Ethics Consultative Caravan held in Tacloban City on September 12, 2024. The court ordered the Solicitor General to comment on the petition challenging the validity of Republic Act No. 12000, which creates the Negros Island region composed of the provinces of Negros Occidental, including Bacolod City, Negros Oriental, and Siquijor. The court required the respondents to file their comment to the petition and prayer for temporary restraining order within a non-extendable period of 10 days from notice. 4 educators, 3 soldiers, and 3 police officers who are this year's recipients of Metrobank Foundation Incorporated's Outstanding Filipinos were honored at the Supreme Court On Bank Session Hall on September 9. They were recognized and presented to Chief Justice Alexander G. Gismundo and the Associate Justices of the Supreme Court, the first time the recognition was done at the High Court since the program's inception in 1985. Each year, an Associate Justice of the Supreme Court serves as co-chairperson of the final Board of Judges of the awards. For 2024, Associate Justice Maria Filomena D. Singh served as co-chair of the board. And that's your Supreme Court this week. I am Tiffany Doblatran, Supreme Court Information Officer.